The given question says that in figure a square OPQR is inscribed in a quadrant OAQB. So this is our quadrant AOAQB of a circle. If the radius of the circle is 6 root 2 centimeter, find the area of the shaded region. So we know that O is the center of the circle and the radius given to us is 6 root 2. And radius is any point, any length from from center of the circle to the boundary of the circle. So OQ is also the radius which is given to us as 6 root 2. So we know that diagonal of a square is a root 2. So we can write diagonal as a root 2 equal to 6 root 2. So we can cancel root 2 on both sides and we get a equal to 6. So the side of the square is OP or OR equal to 6. So we need to find the area of shaded region. So in order to find the area of shaded region, we find the area of the whole quadrant and we subtract the area of square from it. So we know that area of quadrant is 1 by 4 pi into r square. So here r is given as 6 root 2. So we put the values and the area of square which is a square and a is 6 square which we already found out. So on simplifying it we get 56.52 minus 36 which gives us 20.52 centimeter square approx.